Hi Ryan, what just happened, and give me your thoughts?
Man, my thoughts cannot be summed up in 15 seconds. I know that's all I have. I just wanted to say that the best part of my life just happened so far. Love you. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
So can you tell me the planned events that happened today? A little more details maybe. What comes to mind?
Well, Ryan told me you told me a scripture. And I just sort of, like, we maybe need to. I'm getting married to Ryan Peterson. Very happy about that man. He's great. Things are very rushed. I ripped my dress. Someone stepped on it, but that's okay. We got awesome pictures, so it's okay. Ash has been such a help to me. We're going to the chapel
Waiting for a love like this. Every time we say goodbye, I wish we had one more kiss. I'll wait for you, I promise you I will. I'm lucky I'm in love with my best friend. Lucky to have been where I have been. Lucky to be coming home again. Lucky we're in love in every way. Lucky to have stayed where we have stayed. Lucky to be coming home someday. And so I'm sailing through the sea to an island where we'll meet. You'll hear the music, feel the air. I'll put a flower in your hair. Though the breezes through the trees move so pretty, you're all I see.